Hello, welcome to our tutorial on email scenarios. With Kizeo forms, you can set up multiple email scenarios with the completion of your form. As an example, let's take an expense report. The first email scenario could be that you're sending an email to the user to confirm that the data has been submitted and that the form has gone to the accounting team. The second scenario could then be for the accounting team to receive the expense report. To create this, go to the form options of your expense report form and click on email. Fill out the subject and content of the email. You can use tags to customize the email with the data filled out by the user. The next step will be to add recipients. In our case, it's to notify the user who completed the form. You can then add attachments such as your custom reports, images, etc. Under the advanced options, give a name to the scenario, fill out sender's information, and define when this email is sent. Once complete, click on Save. You can add multiple scenarios to send different emails to different recipients. Our second scenario is to send an email to the accounting team to notify them to process the expenses. Once the form has been filled out, the user will receive the notification email that its data has been submitted and been sent to the accounting team to process it. The accounting team will receive the email with details of the expenses. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at support@kizeo.com.